So if you can recall, just now we have what? We have chocolate and butter, right?
Yeah.
We have butter and chocolate, right? And these two will give us the total, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
So in this case, I think
1,600.
similar. Yes, you start with 16,000 here, right? And then you branch out to blue and yellow, right?
Yeah.
And actually for this question, I think it's easier because you have the total. For this question, you don't have the total. So for questions that you don't have the total, you have to stay with B and C. But when you have questions, you have the total. I think you can do it by doing this. So blue is blue. So yellow will be 1600 minus blue. Okay? So for questions that you have the total, you can start off with B, and for yellow is actually 160 minus B. You know how I get 1600 minus B, right, for yellow? Because since the total is this, if B is B, then it has to minus to get Y, right? Right? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, so they say, okay, let me move this. Let me move this down. Okay. So I can move this up, so I have more space. Okay, so next, when the number of the blue marble decreased by 90, so the blue decreased by 90, right? So that means you can minus, right? So the B will be B minus 90, right? Left. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
And then now, the number of yellow marble increased by 15%. Oh, okay, good. Increased by 15%. What's the meaning of increased by 15%? So instead of 100%, now is how many percent?
150.
Correct. So therefore, you need to use this times the 115%. That will give you the left. Okay? So this sub branch is for blue. This sub branch will be for yellow. So if now I ask you, how many blue marbles left?
10:45.
You point to here. How many yellow marbles left? You point to here. Okay, good. Now it says the total number of marble in the container increased by 4.5%. So the total marble increased by 4.5%. So that means 1600 increased by 4.5%, right? So it's times 104.5%, right? And this will be equal to the blue left plus the yellow left. Does it make sense? The blue left plus the yellow left will give you the total increase by 4.5%. So therefore I pick the blue left, right? B minus 90 plus the yellow left, which is
Times 1.
imagine you don't know how to do. You don't know how to continue from here. You don't know how to do the basic mathematics. 4 marks, 2 marks. So as long as you can get the branch and the equation, 50% of the marks. But if you know how to continue, which is how to open the bracket, we are going to do it. So can you help me out with this first? So this is the left hand side.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Okay. So 167,000.
167.
67,000.
Okay, 16.
200.
Never mind. So it's 16%. Percent. It's percent. 104.5%. So you need to key in the percentage sign also. That's why when you tell me it's something thousand, then I say, does not sound right. Just key in the percentage sign. Do you know how to key in the percentage sign? No problem. Have you learned percentage?
Yeah,
Oh,
but
okay.
a teacher.
Never asked you to
Yeah.
use this. Shift this one.
Oh.
Okay, good. So it should be 1000 plus. Equal sign?
1672.
72. Okay,
Yeah.
good. So this will be the left hand side. Equal sign, equal sign. So this is B minus 90. Then over here you need to, so 1600 times this 115%.
116.
1600.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's 1160.
Yeah. Wait, no.
No. Doesn't sound right.
You said 116%.
No. I say 1600 times 115%.
Oh.
Now you can look at here, but the first arrow.
1840.
Okay. 1840. Okay, then the next one will be here, right? So it's minus 115. 115% is 1.15 by the way. So it's B. Okay? So far so good? Good. So now we can. So once again, this one and this one. So like I said just now, the practice is to move the numbers, group them together, and the terms with letters together. So by moving these two over, my B get to be together, right? Right? So just continue. 1672, no movement, so no change. Minus 90, move over, become
Plus 90.
very good. Plus this, move over, become minus.
Minus.
Equal sign is still equal sign, right? So this one no movement. So 1.15. 1.15.
Yeah.
So can you help me out with this?
Minus. 9922.
992.
Wait.
Nope, doesn't sound right.
I had an extra one. Negative. Negative 78.
78.
Yeah.
So over here is 1. So 1 minus 1.15. So 0.15 B.
Yeah.
So how do you get B? You divide by, it's minus. So it's divide by minus 0.15. You get B, right? So therefore this one you also need to divide by minus 0.15. So what do you get on the left hand side? And that will give you B.
5 minus
No, minus 78 divided by minus 0.15.
Oh.
Can you see? Okay. Minus 78
Yeah.
divided by minus
Oh.
0.15. No problem.
$520.
520.
Yeah.
So B is 520. So if B is 520, Y is this minus the 520, which is
1080.
1080. Okay, so you look at how many blue marble were there in the container at first? Where is at first? This one, right? If they ask you at last, you should pick which one? Can you point to me? Blue at last. Where is blue at last? This one, right?
Yeah.
Yellow at last?
Yeah.
This one, right? Right? So that's how you figure out this question.